Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your income with Wells Fargo, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your income with Wells Fargo, start by gathering your financial documents. Collect recent pay stubs to provide proof of employment and earnings. If you are self-employed, prepare your tax returns for the previous 2 years. You may also need to gather bank statements that reflect your income. Visit the Wells Fargo website to find the specific section for income verification. Log into your online banking account if you have one. If not, consider setting up an account for easier access to your financial information. Locate the Contact Us section to connect with customer service representatives. If you prefer, you can call customer service to discuss your income verification needs. Provide the representative with your personal information to verify your identity. Request guidance on how to submit your income verification documents. Follow any specific instructions given by the representative. If submitting documents online, ensure they are clear and legible. If required to mail documents, choose a secure method to ensure they arrive safely. Keep a copy of all submitted documents for your records. After submission, verify how long the process will take. Check your email or account for updates regarding your income verification status. If you do not receive a confirmation, consider following up with customer service. Once your verification is complete, review the details provided by Wells Fargo. This process will help ensure your income is accurately reflected for any financial needs. Remember, always keep your personal information private and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.